been preparing all week for a performance at PERP. Michael Wynn asked me to come down there and perform. I thought it'd be a great moment to bring back the worker character that's inspired by all the working peoples I've encountered around the world, most especially those within my own family growing up in Northwest Arkansas in the Ozark Mountains. I've been working on my set and got everything ready, more or less. I told Lilac, performance never goes exactly perfect or like you think, but it goes like it's supposed to. So that's the goal today. We're about to head down to the space to set up. Hey man, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Good to be here. Thanks for the invite.
Oh yeah. Well, I think it had an impact here for sure, at least during that Manor House period and whatever you call that, plush 2 when you were across from, that he tore down.
Oh, the parking garage?
The parking garage plush. Parking garage plush and Manor House plush. That's
Yeah,
the
my interest was, when I first performed, was just that I would watch people looking at art. I wanted it to be more interactive with the audience, to be a part of the art.
Yeah.
And that's what that Last Dance performance, that's what that came from.
I suppose there may have been a Rauschenberg connection with you too, because Rauschenberg did performance. You did Flatbed, which is in my collection, which references his combines. So I don't know if you were looking at Rauschenberg.
Bridging the gap between art and life is what's attributed to him.
That's what I was thinking when you said that. In 1962, Klaus Oderberg did Engine, which is one of the first pieces of performance art done outside New York. And even in New York, performance art was relatively new. It kind of started roughly about 59 or 60 with him and Jim Dine and the Fluxus people. But when you started doing performance art, and I'm not quite sure what your first piece of performance was, I know you had the disco thing at your studio outside of 500X.
That was the first performance that I did. That was RXS. And then The Prisoner and the Worker came after that.
Because that was purely out of your sculpture. You all were sculptors, almost in a Gilbert and George sense, when you had somebody up there dancing with you. So you started doing it, and when you opened up Plush, especially Plush 2 and Plush 3 became kind of show places for performance. You would do your performance, you would invite people, you would encourage these younger artists who never thought of doing any performance. And that's when kind of performance really starts in Dallas. And you'll go down to Seesaw and do it.
The Worker is based in going back to my childhood in Arkansas and growing up in the Deep South. And so when Michael invited me to perform here at PERP, I mean, it's just like the environments I grew up in. And so I knew the Worker had to be the character who would come out today.
Well, you grew up working class. Your father, I believe, was a construction. And so as a boy, you were helping in the construction work.
Yeah, so this environment just activated that particular character to come back.
It resonated very nicely to me. So.
Randall started doing performance. I think he started doing performance as an extension of his sculpture work and his studio work. And when Randall opened Plush Gallery, he started doing performance more often, started inviting younger artists to come and do performance, especially at the parking lot Plush and at the Manor House Plush. He had some pretty interesting people come by. Donna Huanca, who has taken Europe by storm right now, did one of her first performances at Plush at the Manor House, and there was an audience of 2 people. So I'm thanking Randall for coming here and doing this performance.
Thank you.